The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers across South America. It is home to millions of species, including jaguars, anacondas, sloths, and colorful macaques. The rainforest produces huge amounts of oxygen and helps regulate Earth's climate. Despite its importance, deforestation continues to threaten this incredible ecosystem. Protecting the Amazon means protecting our planet's future.